Now let us look at the next question, question number 10. This is based on sitting arrangement. As I told in the beginning itself, definitely there will be a question in relating to sitting arrangement in all the reasoning exams. So it is very important you should master this type of problem. L, M, N, O, P, Q and R are sitting around a circle facing the center. O is sitting between L and R, Q is second to the right of R and P is second to the right of Q. N is not an immediate neighbor of R. Which of the following is not correct? This question is taken from Indian Bank PO exam held in 2011. Let us see the working. Question number 10. L, M, N, O, L, M, N, O, P, Q and R. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 persons are sitting around a circle. Let us draw a circle facing the center. So there are 7 positions you have to create. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are facing the center. Now let us try to mark the positions. O is sitting between, the first clue given to us is O is sitting between L and R. Let us start from here. O is sitting between L and R. L may be here or L may be here. Let us start with somewhere L and R. Let us start, let L sit here and R sit here, but we know that they may interchange their position also. Then second clue is Q is second to the right of R. Q is second to the right of R. Now they are all sitting facing the center. This is the right and this is the left. You think you are sitting there, then you know which is right, which is left. To avoid any confusion, suppose you think you are sitting here, this is left, this is right. Suppose you are sitting here, you are sitting here, then this is left, that is right. So Q is sitting second to the right of R. So if Q is sitting second to the right of R, this must be the Q's position. Since L is already there, our drawing of L and R is not correct. So we have to change it. This is R and this is L. Now Q is second to the right of R. So this position is Q. P is second to the right of Q. P is second. Now Q is sitting here. This is his left. This is his right. Think you are sitting there. You know which is left, which is right. And P is second to the right of Q. So first two. So P is sitting here. N is not an immediate neighbor of R. N is not an immediate neighbor. Only 2 positions are left. One this and one this. And N is not an immediate neighbor of R. Therefore N has to sit here. Now we are left with 1 position and 1 person. Let us see which are the positions we have started. O, L, P, N, Q, R. So we are left with only M and 1 position. Therefore M occupies this post. So we have now successfully plotted the position of people according to the clues given. Now what is the question? The question is, which of the following is not right? Let us see the answer. Now you can look at the position we have plotted as well as the various options. R is second to the right of L. R is second to the right of L. Yes, it is true. M is second to the left of N. M is second to the left of N, correct. L sits exactly between O and P. Yes, L is sitting exactly between O and P. P and N are immediate neighbors. Yes, you look at the diagram, P and N are immediate neighbors. P sits opposite to N. No. P and N are neighbors and P is not sitting opposite to N. Therefore, option E is incorrect. For this question, the answer is option E. P sits to the opposite of N is incorrect. Now let us see the next question, which is again based on the same question. The previous question 10, this question is also based on the previous question. In all, normally in sitting arrangement, normally 5 questions will follow from one picture. If you draw one picture, you will be able to answer 5 questions. Here this is the second question we are going to see. Based on the previous question number 10, the question is how many persons are seated between L and Q if we count anti-clockwise from L and Q. Let us see the working. Now this is the diagram that we have earlier drawn, where we have plotted the position of LMNOPQR. Now what is this question asking? How many persons are seated between L and Q if we count anti-clockwise from L and Q? This is anti-clockwise L, this is anti-clockwise. Between L and Q, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 persons are sitting between L and Q if we count anti-clockwise. So the answer for question number 11 is option C, 3. 3 persons are there between L and Q if we count it anti-clockwise. Let us look at the next question, question number 12, which is again based on sitting arrangement. 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center but not necessarily in the same order. Q is sitting third to the left of W. 2 persons are sitting between Q and P. R is sitting second to the left of S. S is not an immediate neighbor of W. T and U are immediate neighbors of each other. Only one person is sitting between U and V. Who among the following is the immediate left of W? This question is taken from IBPS RRB Office Assistant Exam 2013. Let us see the working. Question number 12. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. 8 persons are there. 8 persons are sitting around a circle facing towards the center. They are sitting in a circle facing towards the center. All of them are facing the center. So that we can, if you mark this arrow, we will not forget. Q is sitting third to the left of W. So let us mark W here. Q is sitting third to the left of W. So Q is sitting like this, looking at the center. So 1, 2, 3, Q is sitting here. 2 persons are sitting between Q and P. 2 persons are sitting between Q and P. Therefore, P's position can be 1, 2. P can be here. Now already W has occupied it. Therefore, P has to be here. R is sitting second to the left of S. The clue is R is sitting second to the left of S. Second left of S. We don't know where to mark S, therefore temporarily we will park this clue. We will come to it little later. S is not an immediate neighbor of W. S is not an immediate, therefore S cannot be here. S cannot be here. He is not an immediate neighbor of W. Now we will go to this question. R is second left of S. Now what are the possible positions of S? S1 can come here. If S1 is here, then R is second left. Therefore R can come here. Can we put a S here? No, because second left P has already occupied. Therefore this seat S cannot sit. Q is already occupied. These two seats, no S. Therefore another possibility is S2. So S can sit either here or here. There is no other position. The next is T and U are immediate neighbors of each other. T and U are immediate neighbors of each other. Which are the two immediate neighborhood positions which are vacant? This is vacant. So T and U can be here. T and U can be here. Or alternatively T and U can be here. T and U can be here. So these are the two positions for T and U. Now let us take, suppose T and U sit here, either T or U, some of them sit here, any one of them sits here, then S cannot sit here. So S has to go here. If S position is here, then R has to sit here because he is the second to the left of S. So if S position goes here, R has to sit here. Therefore neither T nor U can sit here. Therefore T and U cannot sit here. And T and U has to sit here only. Either T or U, they have to sit here, and S must sit here, and if S sits here, R has to sit here. This is how the puzzles fall in. Now we have T and U, they have to sit here. We have one more clue. One person is sitting between U and V. One person is sitting between U and V. So if U put here, then he has to sit here, V has to sit here, which is not possible, or V has to sit here, which is not possible. Therefore T has to sit here and U has to sit here. T must sit here and U must sit here. Then automatically V sits here. Now we have pieced together all the puzzle. So this is the way in which all the 8 persons will be sitting. Now what is the question? Who among the following is to the immediate left of W? Who is to the immediate left of W? This is left and this is right for W, and T is to the immediate left of W. The answer for question number 12 is option B, T. T is sitting immediate left of W. Now let us go to the next question, question number 13, which is also based on the previous question number 12. What is the position of V with respect to P? This is the position. This is the question. Let us see the working. We have already drawn the picture, and now the question is, question number 13 is, what is the position of V with respect to P? What is the position of V with respect to P? The answer is second to the right. If you look at the picture, you will find that V is second to the right of P. V is second to the right of P. Let us now look at the next question. Question number 14, which is again based on the previous question number 12. This question is, if all the persons are asked to sit in a clockwise direction in an alphabetic order starting from P, the position of how many persons will remain unchanged excluding P? This question is asking a very simple problem. If the fellows are asked to sit in an alphabetical order from P onwards in a clockwise manner, how many position will remain unchanged? Let us see the working. Now this is our earlier drawn picture. We have to see it from P onwards. In the, here it is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now how many positions remaining other than P? Whose position is remaining unchanged? It is V. V's position is remaining unchanged. Now the answer for question number 14 is option E. Only one person position remains unchanged, that is V.